Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add multiple languages to your keyboard on the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon to open up your Settings app. This is where you'll access all the core configuration options for your device, including keyboard settings and language preferences. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on System. This section houses important device-wide settings that affect how your phone operates, including keyboard configurations and input methods. Next, tap on Keyboard. This menu lets you manage all keyboard-related settings, from default keyboards to language options and typing preferences. Now tap on Keyboard Apps. Here you'll see a list of all the keyboard applications installed on your device. This is where you can choose which keyboard you want to configure. From the list, tap on Gboard. Gboard is Google's default keyboard and offers extensive language support, making it easy to type in multiple languages without switching apps. Once you're inside Gboard settings, tap on Languages. This option allows you to view all the languages currently enabled on your keyboard and add new ones. Now tap on Add Keyboard. This will bring up a comprehensive list of available languages that you can add to your typing experience. Gboard supports hundreds of languages and dialects, so you'll have plenty of options to choose from. Scroll through the list and find the language you want to add to your keyboard, then tap it. You might see additional options for different keyboard layouts or regional variations, so make sure to select the one that best fits your typing style. After selecting your preferred language and layout, tap Done. This confirms your choice and adds the new language to your keyboard. The language is now ready to use whenever you need it. Now go to any app that opens your keyboard. This could be your messaging app, email, notes, or any text input field. Opening the keyboard will allow you to test and switch between your newly added languages. To change your keyboard language, simply press and hold the spacebar. This action will reveal a menu showing all the languages you've added. It's a quick and convenient way to switch between languages on the fly. From the menu that appears, tap the new language you want to use. Your keyboard will instantly switch to that language, adapting the layout and autocorrect features accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully added multiple languages to your keyboard on the Google Pixel 8 Pro, making it easier to communicate in different languages whenever you need to. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.